Germany, once the unstoppable engine of Europe, the land of precision engineering, world-class export and economic discipline. But today, cracks are showing, factories are closing, energy prices are soaring, and confidence is fading. How did the economic miracle of Europe start to stumble? This is the story of Germany's slow economic decline and what it means for the future of Europe. Germany's modern economy story begins after World War II. With the Marshall Plan, industrial recovery took off. By the 1950s and 60s, the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle, transformed West Germany into a global manufacturing powerhouse. High-quality export, cars, machinery, chemicals powered massive trade surpluses. The German model was clear: strong industry, skilled labor, fiscal discipline, and focus on export over consumption. It worked brilliantly for decades. By the 2000s, Germany was the industrial heart of Europe, exporting more than any country except China and the US. But the world began to change. The 2008 global financial crisis and the Eurozone debt crisis exposed Germany's vulnerabilities. Its export model depended on global demand, and when that slowed, so did Germany. At home, years of underinvestment in infrastructure, digitalization, and innovation began to catch up. While other nations embraced new technologies and startups, Germany doubled down on its traditional industries, especially automotive and chemicals. Meanwhile, China, once a key customer, became a fierce competitor. For decades, cheap Russian natural gas kept German industry running. But the invasion of Ukraine in 2022 changed everything. Almost overnight, Germany lost its main energy supplier. Gas prices exploded, and energy-intensive sectors like steel, glass, and chemicals were hit hard. BASF, Germany's chemical giant, announced cuts and moved production abroad. Manufacturers began relocating to the US, lured by lower energy costs and subsidies from Washington's Inflation Reduction Act. The Energiewende, Germany's ambitious green transition, also faced challenges. The nuclear phase-out left an energy gap. Wind and solar expansion was too slow. Bureaucracy and local opposition stalled progress. The result? higher cost, slower production, and a growing fear of deindustrialization. Germany's other ticking time bomb is demographics. The country population is aging rapidly. By 2035, 1 in 3 Germans will be over 60 years old. Skilled labor shortages are spreading across industries, from engineering to healthcare. Once Germany, energy, power for cheap labor, Poland are not sending its citizens anymore to Germany. They are staying in the country or going to other countries like Ireland, Sweden, and Norway, as well as Netherlands. Immigration has partly filled the gap, but integration remains difficult, and the education system struggles to keep up. The social welfare burden is rising, while productivity growth is slowing. This creates a vicious cycle: fewer workers, less innovation, and growing pressure on public finances. Ask any entrepreneur in Germany what their biggest obstacle is, and you will hear the same word: bureaucracy. Layers of paperwork, slow approvals, and rigged regulations make business innovation painfully difficult. It can take months to get construction permits to start a new digital project. Digitalization in government is lagging. Many public offices still rely on fax machines like in 90s and 80s. Startups often leave for the US or the Netherlands, where regulations are higher and funding is easy to access. This bureaucratic inertia is stifling Germany's ability to adopt. Germany's current coalition in Social Democrats, Greens and Free Democrats faces deep internal division. Disagreements over budget rules, climate policy, and defense spending have stalled reforms. Meanwhile, the far-right AfD is rising in the polls, capitalizing on economic frustration and cultural discontent. Investors are losing confidence, businesses' sentiment is dropping, and Europe's largest economy feels stuck in neutral. Yet, decline is not destiny. Germany still has incredible strength, a world-class engineering base, a strong export network, a disciplined fiscal foundation, and an educated workforce. To recover, Germany must redefine its economic model, invest in digital infrastructure, green technology and education, reduce bureaucracy, embrace innovation and immigration. In short, Germany must reinvent itself for the 21st century. For generations, Germany powered Europe's prosperity. Now it faces one of its toughest tests. Can it adopt or it watch its economic miracle fade into history. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.